Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how you can make sanitizing wipes. So I have taken this wipes. You can choose any wipes that you can find, and we will need alcohol at least 70%. So it's already moist. So we are going to just pour this. So just add this to your wipes. So mix it really well inside. Make sure it gets really well mixed, and then you can use this to disinfect your hands or any surfaces that you like. Since these are gentle wipes, you can use it on your hand, and you can also clean the surface. So here your DIY sanitizing wipes are ready.